Good morning, class. What is our lesson yesterday, Princess? Very good. So, what are the parts of speech? Thank you. Now, do you want sing and dance? Let's sing and dance entitled The Action Song for Kids for the Singing Walrus. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. I know a song and it goes like this. Na na na, I'm so happy, I'm so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Your hands, stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Do you enjoy our activity? What do you observe? Very good. Now, do you want another activity? So, may ipapakita ako sa inyong 5 larawan. Huhulaan nyo kung ano ba ang ginagawa nila. So, who can answer po sa number 1? Princess. Sa number 2 po, who can answer? May. Number 3 po, Abby. Number 4 po, who can answer? Chris. And number 5 po, Grace. So, ngayon, i-check ko na ang ginawa nyo. Sa number 1 ba? Okay, tama. Dancing. Sa number 2 po ba, ano ang nakikita nyo sa larawan? Okay, very good. Writing. Sa number 3 po. Okay, very good. Waving. Number 4 po, ano ang nakita nyo sa larawan? Okay. Standing. So, sa number 5 po, clapping. So, dahil magaling kayo, bigyan nyo ang inyong sarili ng angel clap. So, ganito po yun. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In this picture, what are the activities can you identify? Princess. Very good. Grace. Very good. Anne. Very good. What else? Very good. Now, what do you notice in this picture? Very good. Verb. A verb is a word which shows action or state of being. So, may ipapakita ko sa inyong picture. Magbibigay kayo ng example of verb. Princess. Very good. Anne. Very good. Grace. Very good. So, ngayon, alam nyo na ba ang kahalagahan ng verb? Ano nga ulit yung verb? Princess? Okay, very good. Now, can you give example of verb? Grace? Very good. What else? Okay, very good. Anne? Very good. So, ngayon, may pasasagutan na ako sa inyo. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 10 minuto upang sagutan ang pinasasagutan sa inyo. So, okay, tapos na po ang 10 minutes. So, sino po gustong samagot sa number 1? Princess. Okay. Who can answer po sa number 2? Grace. Sa number 3 po, who can answer? Anne. Sa number 4 po, who can answer? May. Number 5 po, Grace. So, ngayon, titingnan ko ang inyong ginawa kung tama ba. The weather lang is a bit of warmer today. So, ano ba ang nawawalang verb sa sentence. Okay, tama is. So, number 2 po. Who blank hiding at the corridor? Ano pong nawawala sa sentence? Tama, are. So, number 3 po. I blank sad because I cannot go outside. Ano pong nawawala? Okay, tama, So, number 4 po. She blank excited to go outside their house. Ano po ang sagot? Okay, tama, was. Number 5 po. They were singing happily. Ano pong sagot? Okay, tama, were. So, dahil magaling kayo ngayon, lahat po ba ay naka-perfect? Okay. Ang gagaling talaga ng mga estudyante ko. So, may pasasagutan ako sa inyo at bibigyan ko kayo ng 10 minuto. Dapat sa 10 minuto yun ay tapos na kayo. Tapos na po ba? So, let's check. Direction. Underline the verb in the sentence. So, number 1, the boy is listening to his radio. Okay answer po, Grace. So, tama, listening. Number 2 po, who can answer? The girl is cutting the paper. Who can answer po? Anne. Okay, tama. Number 3 po, the boy opening the box. Who can answer po sa number 3? Abby. Okay, opening. Ang verb sa number 3. Tama. So, number 4 po, my best friend is whispering on me. Who can answer po sa number 4, JB? Okay. Whispering ang sagot sa number 4. Very good. Sa number 5 po, who can answer? Grace. Roger is writing his name. Writing po ang sagot. Tama. Very good. Isa yung mga naka-perfect. May ibibigay si teacher na assignment. Gagawin nyo ito doon sa bahay nyo. Assignment, direction, list 5 action verb and ask your parent on what are the action verb they do and the household chore. So, isasubmit nyo yan bukas sa akin at i-check natin kung tama ba ang inyong ginawa.